This is a review of the Lionel American Flyer New Haven log dumping operating car. This car product number is 6-47965. The New Haven log dumping car comes with the car itself with the operating metal bed, the plastic tray for collecting the logs once they're dumped, 4 wooden logs, a contactor for the operating car, and a remote switch to go ahead and operate the car. The features of the New Haven log dumping operating car are metal dump platform for the wood logs, operating couplers on each end, metal trucks, brake wheel, grab irons on each side of the car, and good detailed graphics, both the New Haven letters and informational graphics. Additionally, we have the operating contactor and a metal frame for the dump platform, along with the actuator operated by the operating contactor to go ahead and dump the platform.